Hello and welcome to the roof deck at our Compass headquarters in New York City. Summer is finally here and New Yorkers will be heading to the parks and roof decks just like this. I'm going to talk about barbecue grills and roof decks so that you have some information this summer. As far as barbecue grills on roof decks are concerned, propane and charcoal are illegal to have on a roof deck. You're supposed to have electric should you opt for that. If you do have a grill on your roof deck, it needs to be within a 10-foot radius of anything combustible and any entrance openings. For those of you who are considering adding a roof deck, there's a certain amount of process you have to go through. First, you'll need city permits. The building will have to have a C of O for the roof deck. If you have a roof deck that is below 42 inches, you have to add railings. If you live in a landmark district, the roof deck cannot show onto the street. And if you want to add wood decking, like the one here, you can only cover 20% of the roof area. If you have any questions about roof decks and barbecue grills, or want to know what buildings have the best in the city, feel free to reach out to me.